Ever wonder how teams stay connected and get things done fast? Introducing Slack, your digital HQ where teamwork happens. From real-time messaging to powerful integrations, Slack helps teams collaborate, organize, and move forward all in one place. Now, let's explore what Slack can do for you. Now, from here, I am right now on slack.com, the official website of Slack. Now, from here, you can find that Slack is free to try for as long as you'd like. Now, you can find their pricing plan. Also, if you want to buy a premium package of Slack, then you can simply click on find your plan and you can find the Slack here. Now, simply click on get started. Now you have to log into your Slack account if you have one, or if you don't have any account, then you can simply create on. Now you can continue with your Gmail or the email account actually here. So now here you can see I have just logged into my account, now confirmed as this Gmail actually. Now get started on Slack. Now you can simply click on create a workspace. Now it will create a workspace for me on that email. So you have to wait until the workspace created. And let it load again. So there's might be some problem or something, some error. So I'm going to reload it. Here, as you can see, it has just loaded successfully. Now you have to set up your account, like what's the name of your company or team. You have to enter a name or of your team or company that you have opened Slack for. Now I'm going to tap on like this and simply click on next. And Apple Pro education, yes, the name is here. You can add your name here if you want. So you can also edit your photo. You can upload a photo of yours as a profile photo of your account. Now I'm going to remain it like this. Now click on next. Now from here, who else is on the Burger Tech team? So who else, if you have any team and if you have multiple person on your team, then you can integrate it. Like I'm going to add like yes, one of this, and I'm going, you just need to invite them, and again I'm going to add another one like or I'm going to add not this, actually I'm going to add another one. Yeah, this one. Hit enter to add this email as a recipient. Now you can simply click on next, or you can also invite people by the link. So you can simply copy the invite link and you can share it with your team. Now you can simply click on next and the invitation will be sent to that person. Now start with Slack Pro. So you can get the Slack Pro for 4.38 USD per person for per month. So now you can click on this button to start the pro version, but I'm going to start with the limited free version right now. So I'm going to explain it to you which feature works for what and how you can be beneficial for using by using this Slack. Now next, yes, next, all of this. Now it is kind of, the dashboard is kind of the Discord. So here you can create channels. Here you can see all get started here. Now I'm going to organize the research here. So here is the message. So you can invite people by this, actually it's showing that. So here is the channel of yours. So you can create a channel here. So here's huddles. So huddles mean the calls that you can be on a meeting, on a voice call meeting or on a video call meeting by starting a huddle. You can simply click on this start huddle here. So you can just invite your teammates that can actually join your huddle or meeting here. Now it's pretty cool feature on Slack. Now from here in channel, you can create a channel by this. Here you can see all Burger Tech that you can send a text through here, so all of your team member can get the text or the notifications or the different types of notice from here. So like just this, I have just sent it, so everyone on my team can see that message. Also new channel, you can create a new channel here. You can simply click on that name here and you can change the name from here, like meeting this, and simply click on save changes. And the topic also, this here you can add the topic or add the motive of this channel, which what you want to do in this channel. So this is for team meeting, be attentive. Yes, just like this. I have just added the topic. Now click on save, and here you can add some descriptions, like anything that anything for this channel is for meeting, like this. And you can just customize the details here, the description and the created date here. You can leave the channel by click on this leave button here, so you can just leave easily, leave the channel easily. And here you can find the channel ID, which will help the people to join your channel easily by this code here. Then the members here, you can find all the members here. You can remove a member if you are the creator or you are the admin of the channel, so you will be allowed to remove other persons from here. Now the tabs, where you can select the tabs, you can get message tabs. Here you can create more tabs here by tap on this plus icon here. You can create list here, like you can add different types of list, like simply click on create new list here. So you can find different types of lists. You can create list here. Also workflow and bookmarks here. Then you can go to the integration, so you can integrate different types of apps and Supercharge challenge here, so it can automatically it can make some work automatic. So you can simply click on add automatically, so you can find add new workflow, so you can insert your team members with that workflow here. So that's pretty much simple here. Now the social, where you can share different types of social things. Now you can simply click on add channels to create more channels here. So you can create a new channel from here, or you can browse channels that are created by you or other persons. So from here you can search for any other channel from here. Now in home section you can find the direct message section, where you can find all of your friends or the teammates that you want to send the direct message for, like hi, and you can send it. And in this message section, in conversation, you can find the bold option. You can make the text bold, italic, and you can set the underline here. You can add any type of link here. You can set the number order here, or the dot order here, or you can just align the line here. You can also embed the code if you want, so you can embed any code if you want, so it will workable. And there's also another section to embed the code, or if you have long code, then you can use this one. So if you want to run any program, then you can simply click on it and you can run a program in this section, and you can send it or share with your friend here. Now you can invite people by tap on this invite button here. You can add their email address here, then you can send the invitation through their email. So skip for now. And here is the app, that one of app is Slackbot, that you can ask for to the Slackbot, like create a channel, create a new channel and name it fun, like fun. Yes, I just send it, and let's see if it's and yours is on free trial. So I'm on free trial, that's why the Slackbot is not working actually. So sometimes the Slackbot can work properly for you. So I'm going to add this section here. So you can click on add apps, so you can find different types of apps that you can integrate with Slack. So you can integrate your Google Drive with Slack. You can add your Google Calendar, Zoom, or Trello. Also the simple pool here, so you can create pool in the conversation here. So I'm going to add a Google Drive here, so you can simply click on add here, and it will ask you for the permission that you want to integrate Slack, the Google Drive. Now here we are on Slack website, like marketplace, Slack marketplace, where we can get these applications here. So we have to wait until the load. So whenever it loads, you can just add this Slack here. For like add to Slack, you will find this button here. You can simply click on add to Slack, and it will add a Google Drive on your Slack. Now simply allow all the permissions to sharing contents between Slack. Now you have to select your account here. That now simply click on continue. Now select all to give all the permissions that Slack can use your Google Drive without any type of problem or issue. So you can save the integration or customize the name. You can save the integration here. Here you can see we have just saved the integration here. So we have added a Google Drive. So here you can find the activity. So in this activity section, you can find all the notifications related to your team members or the channels or any type of apps. You can get at it as a notification from here. So in more section or in DM section, you can find the personal message that you get from a specific individual persons. Now from more section, you can select the templates here. You can add automations, you can add canvases, you can add lists, files, channels, and peoples also. So this automation section is pretty much cool. So you can automate anything like schedule message, you can automate the Google Sheets, you can integrate it. There is pretty cool automation that can make your work easier. So that's all for about Slack. As a beginner, you can use a Slack now without any type of problem. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time, keep exploring.